What kind of cut we doing? The same thing as last time? We could do the same taper as last time if that's cool with you.
I don't know. You think I should do an all-around fade or?
I think if we do that, we would have to drop it like a drop fade. It definitely can't be too high though. We would have to like drop it like a low fade, kind of mid drop fade. Like, want to do that? Bet.
Yo, John, this be fire.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy 4. Shout out my boy Yo Fonz for the video idea. This is like a trending title within the hair community. You know, is your hair tangled? So if you're new to the channel, hit that sub button. You won't regret it. Let's get it. We're just gonna knock his hair down with our 1.5 guard. And yeah, I just want you guys to enjoy this haircut process. His hair is very curly. We're gonna chop it down to wavelength, and what wavelength is basically the level right before your hair turns curly, I'd say. We're gonna smooth it over with our 1 guard. And I'm going with the grain of his hair pattern. Against the grain, I will be going the other way. So this is technically against the grain, what I'm doing right here. This is with my trimmer though. This is our first baseline that we're gonna create. And this isn't a tutorial. I'm just gonna be showing you guys the satisfying process of a men's haircut. So let's get it. We're just gonna begin our fade. Very simple process, especially if you're fading. As you can see, we're fading into short hair. We're not fading into long hair. If we were fading into longer hair, it would be more challenging, but you already know the level that you're fading into, so you just fade up to that. So we're gonna blend all those guidelines out, make sure our fade's nice and blurry. You want that transition to be nice and smooth. You do not want to be able to see any lines in your fade. That's the point of a fade. You want it to look very blended. You want it to go from light to dark. There is a such thing called as a dark fade, but this is a bald fade right here. This is called a bald drop fade. As you can see in the client consultation, we consulted with our client. He wanted to try something new. I suggested this because I knew a high fade wouldn't look good, but he wanted to do an all-around fade. So this is the best fade that I think that fits his head. I still prefer him with a taper, but we had to accommodate him while also giving him our expertise, you know. You don't want to give your client something that you know would look bad. So I've done it. We've all done it because some clients are just set on getting a certain style. We wash his hair before the service. We also condition it. That's important by adding moisture. As you can see, his scalp's a little dry, so we're gonna add some wave foam in his hair briefly, just to add some of that moisture back in there. And once you connect the fade in the back, the haircut's already halfway done. So we're gonna take down his hairline first, and then add the foam. And what this foam is doing is it's gonna lay his hair down even more to get that waver effect. And what you wanna do after you brush it in, put the do-rag on and apply medium heat to it. And I like to knock out the beard while I do this part, because you have to kind of let the mousse set into his scalp. Kind of got to let it seep in there. Kind of got to let it marinate too, low key. So we're going to get his beard together. As you can see, it was pretty patchy. We combed it out, trimmed it, and we're going to keep the goatee area that thick. We're going to do the same thing to this side. This side was a little bit more fuller. we're going to establish our neckline to complement his jawline. That's important. You want to give them a more masculine look. So I like to line it either right at the jawline or below it. So we take it off. As you can see, a little bit of the foam was still there. We're going to wipe some alcohol on his hairline, spray a little bit of hairspray, and begin our lineup. As you can see, you got those 2 light spots right in the middle. We just going to act like it's not there. We're going to add enhancements also. So once our line's in there, we're gonna add some semi-permanent enhancement. This is designed for the skin. This is Tomb 45. If you guys want to purchase anything from this company, highly recommend it. If you want this dye, you can actually go down in the description and use my promo code for a discount. So this dye will last 2 to 3 days with proper care. We're gonna add that pencil effect just right here. I don't like to do it on the whole hairline. Shout out Easy Blade. I also have a promo code with them. This razor allows me to get all those tiny microscopic hairs on the beard and on his hairline. Now we're gonna get his mustache together very quickly. And I like to end it by freehand trimming it because this is gonna get all those straggly hairs that the mousse couldn't really lay down. This is how my client came in. As you can see, he needed help badly. And this is how my client's leaving. If you want to book with me, hit that website in the description. I'm out. Peace.